Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I have a update video, a little short one for you guys today in regards to the little DIY power bank that I made a while back. And just to recap, if you haven't seen the video, there is a video on the page already. If you're subscribed, you probably have seen it. If not, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. Helps the algorithm, especially with the new guys getting started here. But it is a mini ammo case that has a power button. It's got a 12 volt, like a cigarette lighter plug here. And then it's got a USB that has two USB plugs on there. And I just went and bought stuff for boats. So this is just an assembly that's made for a boat, but it would go on anything. And I got the small, there's one size up. This is the mini ammo box. Inside I keep a spare cord, and everything is, need to tighten that guy up a little bit though. Everything's put it in here. It's got a 12 volt battery, rechargeable. I also picked up a charger off Amazon. I think it was 22 bucks. I just charge it overnight, but these things last for freaking ever. We tested the crap out of it before I started making some for my buddies just to test it out. They've done really well. All this stuff is plug and play. You can see in the other videos. But what I done was, a friend of mine, we made one for him, and he runs a fan off of it, and it's a fan that you can get at Walmart that holds, like, I don't know how many it is, 6D batteries or something like that. Maybe it's 8D batteries. But it's a epic little fan. Just costs so much to run it with the batteries, and they last a long time too. It's the same one I use in Sassy's trailer. But anywho, he got it hooked up somehow on the cigarette plug and has been running it, and it blew his fuse. And what he done, this is the same thing. I went ahead and upgraded mine. I got me one of these inline fuse holders here, and this is the little micro small fuses, and I'm not sure what fuse was with it the first time, so I just bumped it up to, I put a 25 amp in it. I'm not exactly sure what I should probably go to, but I'm not going to worry that much with it because I'm just doing cell phones and stuff. There's not going to be that much of a draw on it, I don't think. And I just soldered it in line, and it just goes from your hot to here, and I soldered this in, and then this one runs back over to your switch here, and that's it. And I just got a few fuses floating around down there in the bottom. I might make me a fun little thing to hold some fuses or something to go in the side of it. But this is the only thing out of everything we've done. This inline fuse upgrade is all that we've had to do to it so far, and it's doing well. I was thinking about maybe putting something in here to hold my, I don't know, that stuff would just be fun. But it's done extremely well. I've put me some stickers on there. I may get me one more, or I don't know, I may look and see what my options are for cords and stuff. I don't really get to do that much recording or take pictures of stuff while I'm at shows. I tend to stay busy and end up kicking myself in the butt after it's done. But this thing's really been a lifesaver. We took it to the Georgia Bushcraft in the spring, We charged all of our phones, the entire family stuff, and I had not even hooked it up to the charger yet. So we got 3 days out of it, and I had never put it on a charger. Plus I had tested it. I think I ended up running it out after I got home, because when it gets to 11.8, it turns off because this doesn't have 12 volts to run it. But anywho, this is it, guys. Put me some stickers on there. Need to find me some little small stickers to stick in places. But that's it. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask. But there's a video up on exactly how I made one of these. I just made my wife one, a tan one. So we have a little extra just in case, you know, you get stormy and stuff around here. It's nice to have the ability to charge stuff in a waterproof outfit. We can charge up and have sitting around. I may make me one more just to keep in my bug out stuff inside. We're more bug in people, but anyway, great option for power. I think it was like 65 bucks was what I ended up doing this build for. I'm gonna say by the time, if you had to buy the stuff to put the fuse in line, maybe another $10, possibly 75 bucks for everything. But it's a great option. All right, guys, feel free to like and subscribe. Appreciate all your support. Later.